some problems there. We have some Pepto in the cabinet.
Oh, Joseph. Need help with your paperwork?
No thanks.
You're getting this part wrong. What are you thinking? Come on, I gotta go on this page. Right here.
Do you hear a duck?
I don't know what you're talking about. I mean, I don't know.
You have a duck up the ass?
What's that? Bee. Katie. Three, two, one, go.
Joe, let's go play in your room. You pick this up right here? Right here? Shut up. Come here. Oh, come on, Kayla. That's not even cool.
Kayla.
Right.
Joseph, you two. I got a part over here.
No. Yes. My phone cannot hear.
Oh, part of that. Caleb. That's a big one, huh?
Yeah.